Making coffee using coffee beans. Fill the container with coffee beans. Do not use caramelized or candied coffee beans, as they could stick to the coffee mill and make it unusable. Place under the coffee spouts. 1 cup if you want to make 1 coffee, 2 cups if you want 2 coffees. Lower the spouts as near as possible to the cup. This makes a creamier coffee. Press the icon corresponding to the number of coffees required. Preparation begins. The amount of coffee selected is displayed, together with a progress bar which gradually fills as preparation progresses. While the machine is making coffee, delivery can be interrupted at any moment by pressing any icon. At the end of delivery, to increase the quantity of coffee in the cup, just press one of the coffee icons, 1 cup or 2 cups, within 3 seconds. Once the coffee has been made, the appliance is ready to make the next drink.